جديد سامر from Yalla Arabic team. I'm going today to teach you how could we use بكون. This is the part 2. Last time we talked about, we don't use بكون like in English, but we use it in certain cases like relations. It's something related to time, and with to be, like to be in the present or in the future. For example, راح كون at the park in half an hour. راح كون بالحديقة بعد نص ساعة. تمام؟ طيب. هلا and with تمني, the hope we said, and we give example إنه بتمنى أكون معك بس ما فيني. بتمنى أكون معك بس ما فيني. Now we use it as well. As we said, it's something similar with time, but here with اسم الفاعل, participle اسم الفاعل والفعل المستمر. okay? والفعل المستمر. هلا الفعل المستمر something easy. You just put عم, okay, before the verb. But we didn't mentioning that before. Okay, so we will talk about more details deeply later. Okay, now if you don't know more about participle and continual verb, الفعل المستمر, just memorize it, just know how could we use بكون, and we'll explain about it later, soon طبعا. مثلا بفتكر تكون بعد نايمة. I think she's still sleeping. Okay, بعد نايمة. When, give me an example for girl. When Millie بفتكر بعد نايمة. وين بكون؟ وين بتكون ميلي؟ بفتكر بتكون بعدها نايمة. Okay? So we use participle, so that's why we use بكون, and it's something related to time, right? بعدها, still, so something related to time. This is اسم الفاعل. الفعل المستمر. For example, when سامر, for example, بيكون بعده عم يشتغل بالمطعم. He is still working, عم يشتغل at the restaurant. Now you're asking yourself, here working and there is عم, and here sleeping and there is naiming. This is the thing we're gonna talk about it later, okay? Now, just focus with تكون and تكون. بيكون بعده عم يشتغل بالمطعم. وين بيكون سامر؟ بيكون بعده عم يشتغل بالمطعم. تمام؟ مع السؤال question. السؤال مثلا أنت بمطعم, okay? You are at the restaurant. And the waiter comes and asks you كيف بدك العصير يكون. كيف بدك العصير يكون? So this is a new thing with questions. How do you want the juice to be? يكون مع ثلج, with ice, مع sugar, without sugar, you know. كيف بدك العصير يكون. كيف بدك, for female now, to don't say, woman rights and this thing. So sometimes with male, sometimes with female. So كيف بدك البيتزا. Now you answer me. كيف بدك البيتزا؟ البيتزا female تكون. برافو. تكون. كيف بدك البيتزا تكون. So تكون related to the object. العصير هو يكون، البيتزا هي تكون. تمام؟ في سؤال؟ اوكي. طيب. We start with كون أو ما تكون. B. This is imperative verb. كون. كون. You delete the imperfects as well. We will talk about the imperfect verb later. Okay. I know. Maybe you don't know. So كون أو ما تكون be or not to be. هيدي exercise. راح كمان نقول دائما. This is related to time. بكون بردان بعد الحمام. دائما بكون بردان بعد الحمام. I am always cold after the shower. يوم من الأيام day of days. يوم من الأيام يعني one day. يوم من الأيام راح كون أحسن عازف بيانو بالعالم. So one day I will be the best piano player in the world. يوم من الأيام راح أكون أحسن عازف بيانو بالعالم. Okay. وين معقول يكون بهالوقت؟ وين معقول يكون بهالوقت؟ So معقول it comes من عقل يعني mind. معقول here in Lebanon they use it too much and in Syria مش معقول. Incredible. They use it in negative way or positive way. يعني الوضع بلبنان مش معقول. The situation in Lebanon مش معقول. كتير bad. كتير سيء. مش معقول شو حلوة لبنان. مش معقول شو حلوة لبنان. So you use it in negative or positive way. Here it could come as a possible. So where is possible to be in this time? مثلا I'm asking about where is your brother? وين خيا؟ ما بعرف. And I asked again وين معقول يكون بهالوقت؟ وين معقول يكون بهالوقت؟ هلا now I'm going to give you something in English. Tell me guys if you like this idea for English. Maybe there is a Arabic learners, they don't know English. They know too many languages, but they didn't have opportunity to study this language. So I'm going just to give you something in English and you try to translate it to Arabee in the comments. Okay. What time you will be at home in the evening? واحد. اثنين. She is so happy when her family happy. Okay. اثنين. ثلاثة. I will be at the restaurant at 7:30 o'clock. At 7:30 p.m. Sorry. When you are good, I am good. This is for plural. When you are good, I am good. This is a question in English. Please try to translate it للعربي in the comments. And as we say, we're saying always, if you have question, don't hesitate. We are here to help each other to improve our skills in Arabic. And there is more exercises. The one who is interested, he can ask us on the YouTube, email, Insta, any way. And we're gonna send him more exercises to practice at home. بحبكم كتير. سلام.